This was my campsite, and we're starting day one, trying to get up to Springer. Well, the trail is going down right now, but I think that Springer Mountain is pretty high. So I'll be climbing that later today.
Don't be alarmed, I have tights on under my tights. It's gotta happen. These wool tights.
Well, the approach trail is no joke. I'm still on the approach trail, but I think I'm almost to Springer, and came across this cool looking cairn, a sign of things to come. All right, let's get this done. Made it to the southern terminus of the Appalachian Trail. And here's where the book is that you sign, right on the side. All right, this is the famous plaque, and I am touching the first white blaze. Whew. And I want to document where the first white blaze is. So here is the plaque. Up there is where you sign the book, right up there. And then over here to the left, if you start up this hill, right there, on the tree to the left, that's the first white blaze going downhill to the parking lot. Right. This is it, the start of the trail, and I'm going to put my camera away because I am still unsure of myself on this stuff. See you later. Alright, well, we reached the Benton McKay Trail and the Appalachian Trail. I am nursing an injury already. It's a Benton McKay Trail. This is the AT. So my left shin, your foot is moving in such weird positions as you're going up and down around rocks. It's tightened up. So I don't know if I got a shin splint, the start of a shin splint, but I'm going to take it easy today and see what happens. Yeah, I just got water from this little waterfall. That's how you do it. I just came down that mountain, crossed that bridge, came over here, I came across this bridge. Now, I have to go up. Alright, I just want to take you for a few steps through the green tunnel. This is why they call the Appalachian Trail the green tunnel, because there's rhododendrons all over the place. And this is a drop off. There's a stream down there. You can hear the stream, I'm sure. Alright. Need to use my trekking poles. Alright, well, we're going to attempt to cross this. I just now grab my trekking poles. Alright. Lots of green on the trail. Lots of green. Beautiful. Oh, I just popped a Werther's candy. It's coffee flavored. Man, is that good. It's hitting the spot. Coming up next should be some falls. Long Creek Falls, everybody. Well, I'm sorry. I said I was going to go to the cemetery, but let me tell you, this trail is kicking my butt and I just don't have the energy to do it. Need to get to the shelter and relax.